Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, today I'm showing how to hack Subway Surfers. There's some simple steps. So first of all, if you haven't seen how to get Lucky Patcher, go to my first video, do step by step how to get it. So to hack Subway Surfers, go to Play Store, search bar, Subway Surfers, then go and click install, and wait for that to install. Okay guys, once Subway Surfers is downloaded, go to your home, click Lucky Patcher, the Subway Surfers, which is part 1, click on it, go to menu and patches, click create modifications and APK file, go down to APK rebuild for in-app and level, and rebuild the app, and wait for that to download, probably, which should take a minute or so. Depends. So I'll be back once that's done. Okay then, so it's now downloaded, so all you do is click OK. Go down to rebuild, click on Lucky Patcher, go to modifications, and then look for Subway Surface, which is this one down here. Click on it, then you've got your APK download. What you want to do is click on that, click reinstall, click yes. It should say, do you want to uninstall this app? Click yes or OK, and then click install. This then takes probably like 10 seconds to download. I'll just wait for it. Okay, it's downloaded now. Go click it's done. And just get everything off your screen. And then go and grab Subway Surfers and put it on your home page. Click on Subway Surfers and let it load. Okay guys, so once Subway Surfers is fully downloaded, come with this page, just put in some random date you don't even care about. I accept and continue. And then once it's happened, I've got like no money, nothing at all. So all you gotta do is go through the tutorial. Once that's done, the hack should be complete, I think. Then you should be able to get some free stuff. I'll be back once I've done the tutorial. Okay guys, so now that I've again loaded, wait to go past all your high score, and then all you want to do is go to home and go to shop. This way you can buy all the stuff, but you can see I've got no coins to buy anything. You click the little arrow thing or plus sign, then you can see I can buy the most expensive stuff. Nothing, so all you have to do is here click yes, and there you go, at the top, got loads of money, 1.2 mil, I've got no gems, or whatever they are, keys, click yes, there you go, 55, I'm just going to get more keys and more keys, and that's it for this video. If you want me to hack any more games, just leave in the comments what game to hack, and I will do it in the next video. I've been suggested to hack Subway Surfers, and yeah, if you want to know how to download Lucky Patcher, go to my first video. Until next time, peace.